Welcome. This is going to be a quick class on how to use the Mortgage APR when you are out shopping for a home loan. Here are two ways the Mortgage APR can be used when you're out shopping for a home loan. Number one, the Mortgage APR can be used to determine if there are fees associated with an advertised rate. And number two, the Mortgage APR can be used to determine which rate will save the most interest over the life of the loan. All right, we'll start off with fees associated with an advertised rate. The advertised rate and the annual percentage rate are typically displayed in a manner like this. You say, for example, go to a website and you see a 5.5% advertised rate and a 5.75% APR. Or maybe you'll see it like this, one on top of the other, 5.5% rate and a 5.75% APR. Or maybe like this, 5.75% rate and APR. Either way, it gives the same information. So, when the advertised rate and APR are the same, that indicates there are no fees associated with the rate being advertised. So you'll have a 5.75% rate and a 5.75% APR. Next, when the APR is higher than the advertised rate, that indicates there are fees associated with the advertised rate. 5.5% advertised rate with a 5.75% APR indicates there are fees associated with this advertised rate. And the higher the APR is above the advertised rate indicates more and more fees associated with the advertised rate. For example, 5.5% rate with a 5.75% APR indicates fees. 5.5% rate with a 5.99% APR indicates more fees than this 7.50% APR. And finally, the 5.5% rate with a 6.125% APR indicates even more fees. The higher the APR rises above the advertised rate indicates progressively more and more fees associated with that rate. Next, we'll get into which rate saves the most interest. The rate with the lower APR indicates that it will save the most interest over the life of the loan. 5.5% rate with a 5.75% APR has about $6,500 in fees in this example, versus a 5.875% rate with the 5.875% APR indicates no fees in this example. So which one will save the most money? Over the life of the loan, the lower APR indicates that this 5.5% rate will save more money than this one. Now, of course, you have to remember, all because this one saves the most money over the life of the loan does not mean it's the best one for your scenario. And all because this one has no fees does not mean it's the best one for your scenario. You need to talk to an experienced, licensed mortgage loan originator to help you determine which rate is going to work best for your scenario. And that's it. Congratulations. You've completed the APR class. Now you probably know more about the Mortgage APR than 90% of the people in the country. Good job, pup, and have yourself a great day.